Welcome to Chapter 5, Decisions. Making decisions is one of the most important jobs for managers. Time to time, we hire, fire, or promote an employee, or solve a challenging technical problem, or build features into existing product. Making decisions is a complicated, onerous process of discussions with emotions like proud, fear, ambition, and insecurity. This is because with great power comes great responsibility. Making decisions is definitely an art of mixing knowledge and position power. Nowadays, engineering managers becoming obsolete every day because their focus has been shifting from technology and engineering to business, product, and people management. The figure on the right is the ideal decision-making process introduced by Andy Grove in his book. From free discussion to clear decisions with full support from the team. If there's a veto from the superior, we have to go back to the free discussion as a loop. This process, in my humble opinion, is too generic. I'm going to introduce another decision-making framework, which is called RAPID in the next slide. But most of the concepts are similar. So in the free discussion phase, we have to make sure all points of view, facts, opinions can be presented and heard. We have to make sure that all the participants in the group discussion do not have the fear of sounding dumb, overruled, face-losing, or position-powered prejudice. We need to leverage the peer plus one solution to solve the peer group syndrome, where it is very difficult to make a timely decision if all the folks in the group discussion are peers. The second important thing we have to pay attention to is that all the decisions must be made very clearly, without any merely mouthed weakness or confusion. Decision making is about getting full support from the team. It is not necessary to get agreement from everyone on the team. To simplify this, decision making is to agree to disagree. This is a rapid framework I mentioned before. Once you have a decision to be made with a timeline, you can follow this process. For example, if you are the engineer manager to make a decision for the proposals recommended by the tech lead on the team to solve a challenging technical problem or build a feature into the existing product, you then get the input from your peers like product designers or other engineering peers, as well as the folks on the team like engineers, other peers who will be actually performing or executing the decisions to be made. You then get alignment from your boss. If there's no veto from the superior, a decision is made. Please pay attention to the following rapid essentials. All the decisions must be made very clearly, as well as the roles. Do not overuse this rapid framework because it is very expensive. Think about all the meetings we mentioned in the previous chapter. For a meeting with 10 to 15 folks, it might cost you $1,000 to $2,000. The last thing is that all the decision-making framework will emphasize that decision-making is about getting full support from the team. So we have to agree to disagree, but we have to get the commitment from the teams. This rapid framework can also be used for killing escalations with a time bound of 5 days. So this is my understanding of making decisions. Now let's make a decision. I'm looking forward to the next chapter.